Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this wire stripping machine that was sent to me as a gift to test out in my home. My husband is an artist and creates beautiful wire trees, and he is constantly having to manually strip wire. And so this is a fabulous solution for him to be able to strip the wire easily and quickly, either with a hand crank or with a drill. This is great for any electrician or any artist that is needing to strip wire quickly. It has various sizes that you can adjust depending on the diameter of your wire that you are stripping. It does come with replacement blades, and you can adjust the height and the depth of the blade that is rotating as well. You will need to attach the handle if you're going to be cranking this, and you will need to have a piece of wood to mount this to. It does come with 4 screws that you can use to mount it. Very nice construction. It is all metal and great. The handle is also adjustable, so you can decide on how far you want that out. Just make sure that you measure the width between the handle and where you're actually going to be cranking before you screw it on your piece of wood, because we had to move ours over a little bit. But this worked so well. We were blown away. It was a little tricky figuring out how to get everything in there. It does come with some instructions, but it was better. We had a little bit more luck with trial and error, but this worked so quickly. You do want to be very careful. This blade is sharp, so you want to watch out for that. And make sure to maintain your wire stripper by keeping it clean, free of debris, and lubricating it appropriately as needed. You can also hook up a drill to this if you do not want to do it manually, and it goes really, really fast. So it was so fun to do, and we just were able to do yards and yards of wire and strip it so fast. It was phenomenal. We were really impressed. This is going to make my husband's art come together so much faster because he was having to spend so much time manually stripping all the wire. So whether you're an artist or an electrician or someone else just needing to get that cover off the wire, I hope this makes your life a lot easier. Have a great day.